Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP CMS plugin on a Bitnami Redmine stack on Linux operating system. So the very first step that you have to do is to go onto our RedmineUP site, that is RedmineUp.com, and here you have to search into the plugins section for a CMS plugin. Okay, so you have to click on download now and then enter your email address here. Don't forget to check the I agree on terms checkpoint, otherwise the plugin will not be sent. Okay, so we have to check our email. And just click download here. Alright, so we see that our CMS plugin is downloaded. Please make a note that the CMS plugin has only light free version available. There is no pro licensed version. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 4117, and here execute the manage Linux run file. So it is going to start our Bitnami Redmine stack, and here you have to click on the start all button. So our database and web server are going to be started. Okay, so we have our processes running, and now we are going to check if everything is fine. So we access our Redmine and wait a little bit because Redmine is now started for the first time today. So the very first start every time takes a couple of seconds. Okay, so we are now into our Redmine and go to our information section. So we see that our plugins by now are these ones, and we are going to install the CMS plugin. Okay, so we go back into our downloads folder and unzip the CMS file. So we click on Restruct here and then click into the inner folder and copy this one, Redmine/CMS. So we go back into our Redmine core folder and then enter apps and then Redmine htdocs and then plugins. So here we paste it. Okay, so the next thing is that we have to open our command line, and I'm going to show you on a bigger screen. Okay, so here you navigate to your core Redmine folder. Sorry. Okay, so here the very important thing is that you have to execute the use Redmine file, which is executed with /use Redmine. So now we are into our Redmine. Okay, so now we change the directory to core Redmine folder and then apps and then Redmine htdocs. Okay, so here you have to execute command bundle install. This command is going to install the required gems for your CMS plugin. Okay, we are done with this command. So the next one is the migration command. Here the very important thing is that into the name section you have to set the name of the plugin you are going to install, which in our case is Redmine/CMS. So the migration is now in progress. We wait a little bit. So we are done. Our migration has just finished. And the very last thing that we have to do is to go back to your Bitnami stack and then click on Restart All. So the database as well as the web server are going to be restarted. Alright, so we go back into our Redmine and just refresh the page. The refreshing is also going to take some time because Redmine has been restarted just now. So it is being shut down and started again. And here it is taking some time for the refreshing. Okay, so our page has just refreshed and we see that the Redmine CMS plugin has just appeared up here. So it seems that we have done our job successfully and we have installed the CMS plugin on a Bitnami Redmine stack installed on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful for you and see you in the next videos. Bye bye for now.